happened? What happened, man? Coming back, pussy. Fängt schon ungeil. Aber schwierig doch. It's good that you wake me up because it's a long time. You guys never not heard stuff from me because we are now 2023. The last video came out. When did it came out? 2021, 22. I don't know. But yeah, you know, life happens, stuff happened, and I had to make a little life decision and pause. But now it's time to put play again. I'm back. Presentation of projects and finishing projects because I did not sell, not the Xawa, I didn't sell the 406, and I have other projects. And also the merch, but this merch is already with pussy cat hair, you know, because we love pussy cat. But yeah, like I said, now I have new logo, I have new merch. Merch is already here, and merch already is almost all gone. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, a lot of stuff happened in the last 1-2 years, but now we are back with the project of my friend Filipe. He's here, and
hi guys.
Yeah, so this is the new start, and yeah, he's going to explain what happened and what is the idea, what we wanted to do.
So I come to my bro to get it done.
Brother from another border.
Yeah. So we want to do it this time right, and we want to do a serious full banger. And I had some issues with it, as you can see. So a little bit of damage.
The question is issue with it or with the driver?
Yeah, no. We keep that for later. But one thing is sure, it gives us an opportunity to make it roll as we wish, and I think with my bro we have the same mindset and the same ideas, and so we want to do a fun car from it. And so guys, we're going to present you the first project from my project that I've been planning a long time to do it, and for the first part will be just to make it ready, so to make a list about all of the parts that we're going to need, and everything that we are going to replace, we're going to modify. So we want to not just replace, but upgrade. Upgrade, yeah. So
upgrade.
And we want to make a nice snail, as we say, a nice schnecke. And yeah. So hope you guys gonna enjoy it, and that we can bring something for the community and to show you our passion and our ideas, because ideas we have plenty, and we want to share the project together with you guys, and afterwards all the parts that we're going to install to give you advice as well for this type of generation, because these motors are mounted in a lot of different cars. You have the Gold 7s R, you have a lot of plenty models, and at the same time you can maybe learn something from our experience, and see where the trip will lead us.
As a car guy or the car girls community, you know, when you break something, stuff can happen. It's not just to replace it, but replace it with better parts. And faster parts, and not just only faster parts, but parts that keep the cooling better, and you know, to put a little bit more power, baby.
More power, yeah. More power for the people, and so for all, we want make publicity also for, let's say, cheap parts. We want to also, by experience, see with other modders and with other professionals to get the right parts. To get our goal is to get a 10-second car. So we will do our best to reach our goal.
Somebody watched a little bit too much Fast and Furious. Huh?
Sometimes. But yeah, and hope you're going to enjoy it, because the first part we're going to settle everything apart, and afterwards we're going to make step by step up to the stage 3 completely tuned, and hope to see you guys also in the next videos where we're going to bring it to the track and bring it to different events to see if we can get our goal for a 10-second car. That would be ideal. So
I grabbed the beer, so we can talk about how this happened.
yeah, so I was a bit in a hurry, and there was a fat big school bus was driving in front of me, but a bit too slow, so I thought I could push him a little bit faster, and you see what happened. Shit happens, man.
Yeah, shit happens. But you came to the right place.
Yeah. So next time I hope I can push him a bit
further, but no, it's okay because if it goes a little bit more far than this, we need some more help.
Yeah, but
this is doable. I like the project. But what is this car? What is it?
This is
an Audi A3 1.6. I don't know. What is this?
This is an Audi S3 2014 model, and you have the 2-liter TFSI inside. Original with 300 horsepower, and so it has already a stage 1, but now with the right team and an individual factory, we're going to push it to the stage 3. Yep. So we're going to reach for these numbers, and it's just a 2-liter TFSI. So we plan to change a lot of the parts from the intercooler, charging pipes. We have the spark plugs, inlet, outlet of the turbo, then we have the complete downpipe completed from HG Performance. So
the downpipe is already on it.
Yes.
For the stage 1.
For the stage 1, and so it's completely built. And from the outside, we're going to try to keep it cool and
OEM plus.
OEM plus, yeah. So OEM plus, and just with a few details, because we want to have it like to bother a few Porsche owners and Mustangs, and to have fun with the car.
With this one, I know how to bother the Porsche owners also, huh?
Yeah.
With this one. So I don't know what we're going to do with this one, because this one I think is a little bit more power. More power means we need also more braking power.
Yeah, so talking about the brakes, we have something planned also as well. So we're going to see for the front brakes and the back brakes, even for the fluid and all the brake lines. So we will modify everything what we will find as useful and as smart to get the best performance out of the car, so that we can use it on track days and on other events like drag races, and still have fun in both events, not just have a car to go fast on the straight, but to have also a good stability.
You're more one of the straight boys and I'm more of the track boys, or
yeah, I like both, but this car was more built for the straights, for the drag. But now in the meantime, we're gonna do what's gonna be needed.
A little overall.
Yeah, machine. Overall machine. Also from the direction, we're going to change some stability parts to get really the best
out of both worlds.
Yeah, to get the best out of both worlds, and to have a full banger that we can
bang.
We can bang, and we can bang some V8s, and that I think that would be the nice.
We can also bang something else.
Cheers. Oh fuck it.
No, but like serious talking. So we talked about the car. What we are. I don't know what he was. I don't know what he was.
Wait, what? I don't know
what he was thinking about. Yeah, we talked about what we are going to change on the car, why we are going to change, because yeah, now is the opportunity, and yeah, we're going to the most. I told you guys already. The most important thing about it is to have fun while doing it, and yeah, I'm happy to say that I'm back. Like yeah, and yeah, this is the first project after me being back, and also like I said, the merch. That's also one project. I have the Nissan Patrol M57 swap going on, and I have the AX Citroen AX. I don't know if you guys know what it is. It's the is it Preceder?
Yeah, it's the
Précédent, avant,
it's
before the Saxo
yeah.
model, and I put the whole engine and the rear axle from the Saxo 16 valve in it. That's one's coming. The Xara is coming back. It's quite already done. I did already stuff. I did not film. Yeah, I filmed, but yeah, it's all coming back. The E36, who is right here. The 318 TDS also. You guys, I have a lot of projects for you guys. It's going to be funny. And yeah, as you can see, it's already dark, and we drank already one or two. I think it's better we're going to walk tomorrow because today is finished.
Yeah. So we're gonna prepare everything and then we come back to you guys with more.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye.
See ya.
Mijn dat is goed geld, ja.
Castle Beats.